foreigners. I was looking for it.
Yeah.
San Song. They call San Song.
But I think I want to sell that product.
Yeah.
If they make it everything and sell it,
Yeah.
I put it on my website.
Yeah. I was looking.
Now you see,
Maybe looking for somebody that know where to get it.
Okay.
You know.
Wow.
But the thing is the permit. I'm worried about the permit. Otherwise, people will do it long time ago.
In US, may not allow.
Yeah, might not. I didn't see it.
But Robin told me because he said order online.
Huh?
She said
Or in Thailand?
I don't know.
Or in the
Tàu
USA?
tốc hành
Yeah, but then he said one time she can order it later. Then later on they
tỉnh này qua tỉnh kia.
you can find it now.
Rip biển đó là
It's very rare. Good work. So around here when you sweat and smell, and then it's not open. The thing shrink and then tight.
I wonder you can use
For the face. Yeah.
We look for that.
Yeah. Yeah.
She said they can sell it separately. I want to sell it. That one is for yeah. What is the English name?
I have no idea. Station. It's Luang Prabang อ่ะไม่วังเวียง
Viên
หยุดรับไงอ๋อรับส่งวังเวียงหยุดรับส่ง